Oh nee, dat is zo raar.
Doe maar opnieuw, ook. Okay. Dat maakt niet uit.
Oh my god.
Dat is niet echt.
Oké.
My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe when I'm not with you. Lose my mind, give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Hello, hello, hello! Hello everyone! Welcome at my YouTube channel. My name is Remy and today I have a very exciting video because today I'm going to do an unboxing. An unboxing of 1, 2, 3 Britney Spears perfumes. I ordered this package a while ago. I ordered it at Superdrug. It took me so long because Superdrug isn't delivering to Belgium. It only delivers in London itself and in England. So I had to get a company to pick it up, so it was a lot of drama, but finally I have it and now I'm going to do an unboxing. So I got 3 Britney Spears perfumes, 2 latest ones, Prerogative Ego and Festive Fantasy. And I also bought another perfume that was empty, but now I have a new bottle of it, so I'm going to show you what the other one is. And look, people, before I open it, look. How sad is this package? I know that normally when you order online from there, that you have to pick it up yourself, so I understand that it is in a simple bag. Yes. Okay, so this video will be a review of Prerogative Ego and another review will be of Festive Fantasy. So this is Prerogative Ego. Prerogative Ego. Okay, so the package, the box is a little bit damaged, of course. Okay, and this is Festive Fantasy. Oh my god, the package, the boxes are so damaged. And the third perfume is Midnight Fantasy! Yeah, a very iconic fragrance by Britney Spears. Okay, now I'm going to review Prerogative Ego. Look, like, how bad are these boxes looking? Okay, so that's the last time that I ordered from them. So, before I'm going to open this one, this is the original Prerogative. Then we have Prerogative Rave. And now we have Ego. So, a black one, a silver one, and now we have a white one. And also, today is a very special video because today we have someone very special in the house, in the building. I have a camera man today. Wave cameraman, yeah. A standing ovation for the cameraman, yeah. Okay, the bruises, the whole box is bruised. Okay, I will have to get used to it. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my god. It's even damaged in the box. Okay. That looks very special. So this is the new bottle. I thought that it would look a little bit different because the white, this cap is like a different white than this. This looks a little bit cheap in my opinion, but it's okay, it's fine. So I will explain. So this is the box and then this is the box. So So this is Prerogative Ego. It's a unisex perfume, so for men and women. The notes are apricot, berries, pink pepper, iron, I think that it's called, coffee, saffron, sandalwood and amberwood. So on the internet it said that it is like a warm, flowery, bouquet smelling type of perfume. But when I look at the notes, I think it's a very woody, peppery, spicy, woody and warm fragrance. So I'm going to spray it. Wait a little bit. And never, this is very bad for perfume. It's different than I was expecting. It reminds me a little bit of pink sugar. The beginning, the first thing that comes to mind. Oh, it's very nice actually. It really fits in with the other Prerogative scents. I thought that this would be a totally different scent than the other two. They really fit in with each other. They really complement each other. So I'm actually very pleased and surprised. I was also excited to have like a very different perfume, but it's very nice. So this was my unboxing and reaction of Prerogative Ego by Britney Spears. So it smells actually very nice. Only a little bit sad that the box is damaged, but it is what it is. I have the perfume and it was very difficult to get, so I'm happy that I have it. So this was my review of this perfume. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. And also, be like Britney. Like Britney said,
it smells amazing. It's in department stores now, so I seriously suggest to be sexy and go out and get it, seriously.
Thank you, and I see you the next time. Bye.